I accidentally cut the last video really short. Like I clicked the wrong button. So this video, I'm going to cover 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I'm going to do 5 problems in this video. Okay, so here is where something a little odd or different, I guess, happens. Come on, pen. All right, so in this video, right, I need to add to the middle, multiply to the back, right? So it's got to multiply to be a negative, meaning we need a positive. We need one positive and one negative number. But the difference here is that it's going to end up adding to a negative. So our bigger number needs to be the negative number, right? If you walk away from a situation still owing money, it's because you owed more than you had in your pocket. So the bigger number is going to have to be the negative one. So we've got 1 and 35. But that adds to negative 34. Not going to do it. 2 does not go into 35. 3 does not either. 4 does not either. 5 does. Exactly 7 times. And right there, 5 minus 7, or 5 plus negative 7, is negative 2, right? You have $5 in your pocket, but you owe me 7. You would still owe me 2 when you walked away. So those are our numbers. Why does it never show up here? Okay, so x plus 5, x minus 7. Add to negative, multiply to a negative, one positive, one negative, where the bigger number needs to be negative so we can result in a negative 8 after we add it up. So the biggest number, so 1 and 20, which is negative 19, so not quite. How about a positive 2 and a negative 10? That multiplies to negative 20. And it also adds to negative 8, right? You have 2 in your pocket, but you owe me 10. You would still owe me 8 when we separated or whatever. Adding to positive 6, multiplying to negative 16. So to multiply and get a negative, you need a positive and a negative. Okay, so you need a positive and a negative, and the bigger number should be positive. The bigger number needs to be positive, so we can end up with a positive 6. So let's say 1 and 16, but that adds to 15, right? 16 minus 1. Okay, not going to do it. How about 2 and 8? 8 minus 2, 8 plus negative 2, whatever, is 6. We got it. So x plus 8, x minus 2. Okay, needs to add to negative 1, right? And multiply to negative 30. So again, one positive, one negative, where the bigger number should be negative. So we can end up adding to a negative. So 1 and 30, well, that adds to negative 29. Not going to do it. That adds to negative 13. Getting closer, but still not going to do it. How about a positive 3 and a negative 10? That adds to negative 7. 4 does not work. 5 works. Exactly 6 times, right? 5 times negative 6 is negative 30. And 5 minus 6, or 5 plus negative 6, whatever you want to call it, that adds to negative 1. So k plus 5, k minus 6. Okay, positive and negative, adding to a positive, so our bigger number needs to be positive. Okay, so we've got 1 times 20, which adds to 19. Not going to work. Negative 2, positive 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. That's it. We did it. Okie dokie.